we're delving into a fascinating topic in the bill of materials, manufacturing bill of materials. The manufacturing bill of material is also known as the MBOM or MBOM. It is used when a manufacturing company needs to display all of the components and assemblies that are needed to manufacture a finished product. This includes parts that need to be processed, painted, and transformed in any way. They are all shown in the manufacturing bill of materials. This is the most common type of bill of material used for a manufacturing company. And that's it, the manufacturing bill of materials. Stay tuned for the next module.